Hi, my name's Angie Gray, and my business is Lean and Green to Go. When you're on your way home from a hard day at work, the last thing you want to do is cook a meal. You also do not feel great about the choices you have made during the day. What you need is a healthy alternative for the fast food restaurant. We offer a fast, convenient way to get your food and get home where you want to be. We changed our products from being just a salad with different proteins to being a bowl with healthy vegetable options and a serving of a lean meat. The customer can then mix and match with different sauces and to create a bowl. After many interviews, we found that people want low carb, organic, and gluten-free meals to follow today's trends. We've added healthy smoothies for a different offering as well. The business would be in Harriman, Utah. Harriman needs more commercial businesses. There are a lot of people that live in Harriman that are health conscious. The traffic coming home is horrendous, so there are a lot of people returning from work and looking for an easy meal to stop at a drive-thru and get. The three types of people that are looking for these kind of products are empty nesters, single working women that want to be healthy, and working people ages 26 to about 60. These are the three empathy maps that show that all of these people are old enough that they want to make healthy choices and they're trying to take care of themselves. They're also tired of after a hard day at work, or they just do not feel like cooking. They want something convenient like fast food, but that's healthy. These are the three empathy maps. I will get them in the door by having a fast, convenient, healthy, and affordable product. I'll be in an area close to office buildings, so it's easy to see on your way home from work and during lunch breaks. We'll also have impeccable customer service. I will keep them by having a loyalty program where they can get points towards a free meal. To grow my business, we'll add new offerings like healthy treats and also seasonal dishes. Through our great customer service great customer service and food, customers will tell their friends to come and keep our loyal customers coming back. The distribution channels that we will use is we'll have a drive-through so it's convenient. We'll also offer catering and online ads and then delivery as well. We would partner with places such as Grubhub and DoorDash to offer delivery to our customers. We could have a drive-through location to pick up orders fast and conveniently. We would also have catering for large corporate events. This way, we would tell people about our business through would be internet ads. Two key partnerships that we would have in our restaurant would be restaurant suppliers and gyms. We would need a good food supplier for our food and containers. All of our orders would be to go. The risk would be that there may not be enough businesses that we would not be big enough that these businesses would take us seriously. Also, we would partner with gyms, and we could also have, I've also thought of having locations inside of the gyms for our restaurants. So the company should be located close to populated areas. I feel like then we would need good restaurant suppliers. We could use savings to start the company, and then we would use grants and loans to continue. Two key activities that we still need to do would be find suppliers and find a good location. I'm assuming that the fixed costs will total about $50,000 and the variable cost would be about $100,000. Depending on the type of meat that people choose, the price per bowl goes up or down. I'm providing the averages of all the bowls. If we sell 100 bowls a day, then we would make a profit. So the average price per bowl would be about $4.66, and the profit per bowl would be $3.88. So the key metrics that I think would be really important would be the price per unit, the amount of the fixed cost, total numbers of products sold, the average selling price, and company revenue. fast food industry is a really large industry. There are a lot of options that people have to get a quick meal. One of the things that I feel like how we stand out is that we would have healthy options that would be low carb, gluten-free, organic, things like that. And I think there would be growing opportunities with us being located in gyms as well. Some of our strengths would be that we offer healthy options. Some of our weaknesses would be with the unique design of our buildings. We may have to build a location, so I think that might cost more money than we would hope for. I think there's opportunities to partner with gyms, and then also the threat, it would be food prices. There's a rising price in meat these days, so that would be something that we would not be able to control, that we may have to raise our prices for. I made a lot of changes to my BMC during the process of talking to different people and researching. I added actual suppliers, people that we could partner with. I added that we needed to find a building. And then I also adjusted my food prices quite a bit. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope I can get your support for our business, Lean and Green to Go.